Okay, here we go. First, I'm going to show you all the external stuff, and then everything's going to be from the screen, just so that you can see what's going on. Now, what I have here is my Microsoft Surface Duo 2. We're going to connect to it this Anker 8-in-1 Power Expand. This has multiple ports on it, so we'll go through and take a look at what all we have. There are two USB Type-C connections. One of them is for power delivery input, 100 watts. One of them is for your use, HDMI. We have over here two USB 3 Type-A ports and two memory card slots. There is also a power LED and, of course, our connector that will connect to the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. So that's everything. What I need to do is get this connected, get my Ethernet going, which all it's going to be is plug, and so I can get my screens going. So let's go ahead and do that stuff now. Okay, I just plugged in. You see charging, and you see here it's prompting for File Manager Plus. This is because it sees the controller for the memory cards. There's nothing in those slots right now. I'm going to insert the micro SD card, and I'm going to go ahead and do both the SD and the micro SD so that I don't have to do this over and over. I can wait a while. It's not going to see it. They are both installed. I'm going to touch it once, the USB storage. And what it says is could not connect to USB storage. Usually I can touch right now. I'll get another error message. Then I'll be able to see things. I'm just going to give it a second to see if it ultimately mounts it. Has it already mounted? I'm going to touch it again. And there I got a message about NTFS, exFAT, HPFS, not detected, but bam, it sees the two storage disks. So there's one, and here's the other. Now it will see me insert these next three devices. I'm going to start with a SanDisk Type-C USB 3.0 thumb drive. I'm plugging it into the available 3.0 slot, into the Type-C slot. You see that File Manager Plus says something happened, and lo and behold, I have another disk available. Which one is it? That one. I have a Samsung USB 3.0 Type-A connector thumb drive. Here we go. Again, Android does see that. It's the one that says new volume. Now I have another Samsung thumb drive. This one is a Type-C connector, 3.0, and I have a Type-A adapter on it. Insert it. There it goes. And now we have that guy. 5 memory disks, if you will, connected. The best way I could exercise all of the available slots. Okay, let's look at what we have here. Microsoft Surface Duo 2 connected to the Anker 8-in-1 Power Expand. This is a USB 3.2 device. We have power coming in, which is in turn charging the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. We have Ethernet coming in. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see, and HDMI, all working. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you thought. Most of all, thanks for watching.